2018 E400 Mercedes V6 twin turbo. I'll always love the body style on these. The two-door coupe. Good looking car. Let me show you guys what we've done on it. So converter. Then wise into a single there. Then had a resonator delete there. Then we did a muffler delete in the back. That's what we just did. Muffler delete there, as you guys can see. And then we kept the factory tips out the back, right there and right there. And there's the stock mufflers that we took off right there. I know you guys are ready to hear it, so I'm going to let you guys hear it. Stay tuned. All right, guys. So this is round 2 on this 2018 Mercedes E400. Check it out. Coupe. Let me show you guys what we done to it. Took out the midsection, so it's still got cat there and there. Then we took the midsection and replaced it with a true dual setup. But we added an X-pipe in. So as you guys can see, it's a complete 2.5-inch system now. X-pipe right there, 2.5-inch pipe, all the way to the back, and deleted in the rear. They did the rear delete before, right there. So it came out really clean and nice, as you guys can see. Beautiful, beautiful job by our Exhaust Addicts team. And this was what was on it before, that we cut off this section and this section. So I had a Y-pipe set up on each side. We took them both off. All right, so stay tuned, guys. We're going to let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. And like always, like, comment, and hit that subscribe. Much better. Good idle on it too. There it is. Right at 81. Let it wind down a little bit. 76. Yeah, around 76. Go ahead and give it gas. Valve. That's perfect. Are you happy? You're not jumping up and down, man. Jump. Again. That's perfect. Here's sound decibels. Go ahead. Again. Right at 100, we'll say. One more. You can hear that blow off now. I love it. Go ahead, back it up. Mercedes E400. Again. Let you guys hear it on the inside. It's louder. That's a cold start. Right at 91. Give it gas? He's gonna be jealous. It's so much better. You hear that blow-off valve on it? Again? Do that again. Damn, 107, bro. Hell yeah. Gotta back it out. He's happy. I'm happy. If you guys don't know, we are located in beautiful Nashville, Tennessee. Here's a beautiful shop. Our phone number. Tractor going down the road. It's not supposed to be on the road, sir. You're not road legal. Oh, anyways. Right down the street from Skyline Hospital. Anyways, here we go. Back to the action of the beautiful Mercedes. Oh my God! That definitely. I'm gonna close my ear. Go ahead. There's the shots you were looking for. And he's got a stage 2 tune, right? Usually you don't get to hear anybody rev it for you, so I'll let you guys hear it on the inside. Here we go, guys. He's gonna put it in Sports Plus, make it even louder. That's the customer. Much better. You gotta do yours next. You can't have him sound better than you, bro. What are you doing? And then we got his buddy. He's coming back. That's the one I said you can't have it like that. So he's going to be next. Let's see what kind of pull he gives us. Here we go. So that's stock compared to what we done. Enjoy, guys. Here we go. This is the owner of the car now. One more. The pops are insane. Imagine when he takes off, guys, now. Here we go. Here we go. There it is. I was waiting till he took his foot off the gas. Perfect. Enjoy, guys.